Master budget. In this video ay magbibigay ako ng mga problems and I will also present you the solutions so that you can follow. Yung material din ay ilalagay ko na lang din sa downloadable section ng YouTube so that you can download it and you can also print it, study it by yourselves or together with this video. So ano pang hinintay natin? Let's move on to the first solve problem. Ito ay determination ng operating budget or financial budget. So listed below are elements of the master budget and determine whether this budget is an operating budget or a financial budget. So bago natin simulan, I will give you just some few tips paano ba naging operating budget or financial budget ang isang budget. Okay? So pag operating budget, ito po ay related sa day-to-day operations. Yung from time to time, kailangan mo itong i-check or tignan kasi nga ito yung related sa yung activities daily. Okay? Kapag ka naman financial, ito yung why not tignan mo rin from day-to-day pero ang sakop nito ay pang matagalan or strategic. It can become yearly or more than a year. Okay? And then, aside from the income statement, which is an operating budget of course, lahat na ng statements ay financial budget. So, let's begin. Itong capital expenditures budget, ano sa tingin nyo? Long term ito, di ba? Kasi ang mga binibili dito ay mga PPE or yung mga fixed asset. That's why ito yung sagot, no? It's a financial budget. Samantalang yung cost of goods sold mo, then yung revenues budget, yung sales mo dyan, it's or they are operating budget. Next, the number 4 is budgeted statement of cash flows. It's a financial statement, di ba? Kasi kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, it's a financial budget. Okay? Then, distribution cost budget, ito naman yung pang shipping mo, yung transpo para sa mga items for sale. Yan sa technical term natin sa recording ay freight out or transportation out. It's operating budget. Okay? Just like yung marketing cost budget mo din, it's also an operating budget. Yan naman yung magastos mo sa advertisement, promotional activities like free taste, test drive, mga caravan, no? Mga promo ninyo, mga sales, siyempre mayroon kang pandyan, gastos. But anyway, iniisip mo na mayroong more benefits to come. So, it's operating budget. Then, cash budget, ang sakop nito ay matagalan din or malakihan kasi nga ito ay patungkol sa mga financing needs mo din. Magkakaroon ka ba ng sobra na cash? I-invest mo ba yan sa mga securities or mga bonds, ganyan? Or kung magkukulang ka, do you need to secure a credit line? O yung uutang ka sa mga financial institutions? That's why it's a financial budget. Okay? Then, direct material cost budget, kasali yan sa production, no? Day-to-day, it's operating budget. Kapag meron din sana items dito na direct labor budget, it's also an operating budget. Same as your overhead budget. Okay? Then, budgeted balance sheet, it's a financial statement. Of course, it's a financial budget. Dito, income statement naman, hindi siya financial budget, di ba? It's an operating budget. Okay, that's it. So, kung meron kayong tanong dito or meron kayong additional information about this operating or financial budget, you can just put in the comment section. Then, I will also react or answer if you have any questions. So, see you on the next video. Okay? Bye-bye.